welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be focusing in on that PT-1010 label maker. Today we're going to be doing all things text, entering text, multiple lines of text, you name it, we're going to focus on it today. Before I get started, please just take a second to thumbs up this video and subscribe to our channel. Seriously, it is such a huge help and it would mean a lot. Okay, let's go.
When it comes to entering text on this machine, it's important to keep in mind that this LCD screen is going to show you 12 characters. However, you can have up to 80 characters per line. So for example, if I were to type this out, okay, so notice that this part of my beginning versus the end is no longer here. You can only see 12 characters at a time. If you want to double check your label, all you would do is arrow over and you'll notice everything starts to reappear from the beginning. Okay, now I'm going to quickly show you how to clear your screen. I'm just going to go ahead and hit clear, and that's going to ask you text and format, or you can hit the arrow button to text only. Meaning if you only want to delete the text, so say we had programmed our font and we're doing like a small font, bold lettering, large, so on and so forth. You've formatted a label to be specific and you've put work into it, but you just want to change the text. You would arrow to text only and hit this button here. If you wanted to change the text and format, meaning you want to start from the beginning, so get rid of any size preferences, font, style, all of that, you would hit this button. And for this case, I'm just going to go ahead and hit this enter button, and I'm back to the beginning. Now, this machine lets you have the option of 2 lines of text if you're using a 1/2 inch or 12 millimeter label or a 9 millimeter label tape. If you have one of the 2 larger tapes, you can do 2 lines of print. If you're using the 6 or the 3.5, you will not be able to do 2 lines of print. In order to do that, this is 1 line. And if I want to arrow down to another line, we're just going to hit this center button. And you'll notice it's going to be on line 2 because you see this arrow that's popped up. And then we could just type in another word. So now you've gotten 2 lines, and you know that because of this little arrow in the middle. And if I was just going to print this so you can see what it looks like, it's going to print out the top here. You'll kind of see that printing. And then manual cutter, we're going to push that in and see how easy that came out. And now you've got 2 lines of print, and then you saw that little arrow to know that that was there. And that's your 2 lines on a 1/2 inch. Now to clear this, we're gonna hit clear, and then to show you the other way, we'll hit arrow over to text only and hit this arrow.
I hope you're liking what we're doing so far. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, back to the good stuff.
Now with this machine, I'm going to show you upper and lowercase. So this button on the bottom, you'll notice has a large A with an arrow and a small a. If you click this arrow is pointing to the large A, meaning you're going to be typing in uppercase letters. If we click it again, it's off. That means you see it's no longer lit up. So again, if I click that button, you see that pop up right here, meaning you're in uppercase. And if I click it again, it's off, meaning it's in lowercase. So where there's nothing highlighted here, if I type in again, it's now in lowercase. So uppercase, click this button and it's going to be here. Lowercase, it will disappear. The last thing I'm going to show you in terms of entering text before you print is print preview. So say we wanted to preview a label before we print it. All we're going to do is hit function. We're going to arrow over until we see preview. And now it says preview, and then we're just going to hit this enter button. And then this is going to show you across the screen what it would look like. Keep in mind with print preview, all it's doing is showing you what it would look like. And if you notice quickly at the end, it showed the size. It does not show you the format. So if you had changed your font style, your label width, so on and so forth, it's not going to reflect that on the label until it's printed. So again, we'd hit function, we'd go to preview, and then you're going to watch it. It says hello across the screen. And then it's going to tell you how long that label is going to be.
And it's as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week while we continue on with this PT-1010 label maker. See you soon. Bye-bye.